Discovering Chongqing Zoo. Chongqing Zoo, nestled in the bustling metropolis of Chongqing, China, is a haven for animal lovers and families alike. Spanning over 45 hectares, the zoo is home to more than 230 species and 4,000 animals, making it one of the most significant zoological parks in the country. With its lush greenery, well-maintained facilities, and a wide variety of animal exhibits, Chongqing Zoo offers a perfect blend of education, conservation, and recreation. This guide aims to provide an in-depth look at what makes Chongqing Zoo a must-visit destination. Founded in 1955, Chongqing Zoo has a rich history of animal conservation and public education. Over the decades, it has evolved from a small collection of local wildlife to a comprehensive zoological garden housing exotic species from around the world. The zoo is particularly renowned for its Giant Panda House, a testament to China's efforts in conserving this endangered species. Additionally, Chongqing Zoo plays a crucial role in research, breeding programs, and fostering a deeper understanding of wildlife among visitors. One cannot talk about Chongqing Zoo without highlighting the Giant Panda House. This exhibit is undoubtedly the star attraction, drawing visitors from all over the globe. Home to several giant pandas, including adorable cubs, the Giant Panda House offers a rare opportunity to observe these gentle giants up close. The exhibit is designed to mimic the panda's natural habitat. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and be the first to join me on my next adventure. With lush bamboo forests and spacious enclosures that provide a comfortable environment for the animals. Visitors can learn about the panda's diet, behavior, and conservation efforts through informative displays and interactive sessions. Panda House highlights. Giant pandas, watch as these gentle giants munch on bamboo, play, and laze around. Their playful antics and serene demeanor make for excellent footage. Red pandas, don't miss the chance to see these smaller, equally charming cousins of the giant pandas. Their agility and curiosity are a delight to capture on camera. The South China tiger, also known as the Amoy tiger, is one of the most critically endangered tiger subspecies in the world. Historically found in the forests and mountains of southern China, the population of these magnificent predators has dwindled drastically due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Today, they are considered functionally extinct in the wild, with only a few individuals remaining in captivity. Chongqing Zoo plays a vital role in the conservation efforts aimed at preserving this iconic species. Exhibit design and features. The South China Tiger House at Chongqing Zoo is meticulously designed to replicate the natural habitat of these tigers. The enclosure features dense vegetation, rocky outcrops, and water bodies, providing the tigers with a stimulating environment that encourages natural behaviors. The expansive space allows the tigers to roam, climb, and swim, ensuring their physical and psychological well-being. The exhibit is designed with the visitor experience in mind, offering multiple viewing platforms and glass-fronted observation areas. These vantage points allow guests to observe the tigers up close without disturbing them, providing an intimate glimpse into the lives of these elusive predators. Chongqing Zoo is deeply committed to educating the public about the plight of the South China tiger and the importance of wildlife conservation. The zoo offers a range of educational programs that cater to different age groups and interests. Guided tours, knowledgeable guides lead visitors through the South China Tiger House, sharing fascinating facts about the tiger's biology, behavior, and conservation status. These tours provide an in-depth understanding of the challenges faced by the species and the efforts being made to save them. Interactive displays. Throughout the exhibit, interactive displays and multimedia presentations offer engaging and informative content about the South China tiger. Visitors can learn about the history of the species, the threats they face, and the global efforts to protect them. Feeding sessions. One of the highlights of visiting the South China Tiger House is witnessing the feeding sessions. These sessions are scheduled daily and provide a unique opportunity to see the tigers in action. The zookeepers share insights into the tigers' diets and feeding behaviors, making the experience both educational and thrilling. The Safari Zone. The Safari Zone is one of the most exciting parts of Chongqing Zoo. Designed to mimic the African savanna, it features a variety of animals that roam freely within a large, open space. Visitors can observe lions, zebras, giraffes, and more in an environment that closely resembles their natural habitat. Safari Zone highlights. Lions capture the majesty of the king of the jungle as they lounge or engage in social interactions. Giraffes, their towering presence and gentle demeanor make for stunning visuals. Zebras, these striped horses running freely on the vast grassland add dynamism and beauty to the photos. Elephants, their massive bodies and leisurely pace provide an opportunity for visitors to observe the largest land animals up close. Safari experience. The Safari Zone at Chongqing Zoo is not just a place to view animals, it offers an immersive experience that makes visitors feel as if they are truly on the African savanna. The cleverly designed trails and viewing platforms ensure visitors can enjoy close encounters with animals while maintaining a safe distance. Interactive activities. Feeding experience. At specific times, visitors can participate in feeding activities, personally feeding giraffes or other gentle animals, and experiencing the joy of interacting with animals. Educational lectures. The zoo's education team regularly holds lectures in the Safari Zone, introducing the habits, conservation status, and ecological importance of various animals. The Safari Zone is not just a sightseeing spot, it is dedicated to raising public awareness about wildlife conservation through interaction and educational activities. Visitors can enjoy close encounters with animals while learning valuable knowledge and increasing their awareness of protecting the natural environment. The Marine Animals Pavilion at Chongqing Zoo is a captivating attraction that offers visitors a chance to explore the fascinating world of marine life. This pavilion is home to a diverse range of marine animals, including seals, sea lions, and penguins, each housed in environments that mimic their natural habitats. With its blend of education, entertainment, and conservation, the Marine Animals Pavilion is a favorite among visitors of all ages. Exhibit design and features. The Marine Animals Pavilion is designed to provide an immersive experience, with meticulously crafted exhibits that reflect the natural environments of the resident species. The pavilion features large, glass-fronted tanks and enclosures, allowing visitors to observe the animals from various angles and perspectives. Seal and Sea Lion Exhibit. This exhibit showcases the playful and intelligent nature of seals and sea lions. The spacious enclosures are equipped with rocks, pools, and underwater viewing areas, offering a comprehensive view of these marine mammals as they swim, dive, and interact with one another. The exhibit emphasizes the importance of conserving marine habitats and protecting these species from threats such as pollution and overfishing. Penguin Habitat. The penguin habitat is designed to replicate the icy landscapes of the Antarctic. Visitors can watch penguins waddle on land and glide gracefully through the water. The exhibit provides educational information about the different species of penguins, their behaviors, and the challenges they face due to climate change and habitat destruction. Interactive touch pools. For a hands-on experience, the Marine Animals Pavilion features interactive touch pools where visitors can get up close and personal with various marine creatures, such as starfish and sea urchins. Trained staff members are present to provide guidance and share interesting facts about the animals. One of the highlights of the Marine Animals Pavilion is the daily performances by trained sea lions. These shows are not only entertaining but also serve an educational purpose, highlighting the intelligence and agility of sea lions while promoting marine conservation. Sea lion performances. The sea lion performances are held in a specially designed arena with seating for visitors. The shows feature a variety of tricks and behaviors, such as balancing balls, jumping through hoops, and performing synchronized movements. Throughout the performance, trainers provide commentary on the sea lion's natural behaviors, their training process, and the importance of protecting marine ecosystems. These performances are a favorite among children and adults alike, offering a fun and memorable experience. Feeding sessions. Scheduled feeding sessions for the seals, sea lions, and penguins offer another opportunity for visitors to learn more about these animals. During these sessions, zookeepers share insights into the dietary needs and feeding habits of the marine animals, as well as the conservation efforts to ensure their survival in the wild. Dining and shopping. After exploring the wonders of the Marine Animals Pavilion, visitors can enjoy a meal at the pavilion's themed cafe, which offers a variety of refreshments and snacks. The cafe is designed to resemble an underwater world, providing a unique dining experience. The pavilion also features a gift shop where visitors can purchase marine-themed souvenirs, such as plush toys, apparel, and educational books. These items make great mementos of the visit and help support the zoo's conservation initiatives. The Marine Animals Pavilion at Chongqing Zoo is a testament to the zoo's commitment to education, conservation, and entertainment. By providing an immersive and informative experience, the pavilion inspires visitors to appreciate and protect marine life. Whether you are fascinated by the antics of sea lions, the grace of penguins, or the diversity of marine species, the Marine Animals Pavilion offers something for everyone. Plan your visit to Chongqing Zoo and dive into the enchanting world of marine animals. Bird Aviary, a symphony of colors and songs. The Bird Aviary at Chongqing Zoo is a stunning showcase of avian diversity, offering visitors a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in the vibrant world of birds. This expansive exhibit is home to a wide array of bird species from around the globe, each bringing its own unique charm and beauty. The aviary is designed to simulate natural habitats, providing an environment where birds can thrive and visitors can experience their behaviors up close. Whether you are a bird enthusiast or a casual observer, the Bird Aviary is a highlight of any visit to Chongqing Zoo. The Bird Aviary is a carefully curated space that mimics the natural environments of its feathered residents. The aviary is divided into different sections, each representing distinct ecosystems such as tropical rainforests, wetlands, and woodlands. This design allows visitors to explore various habitats and observe the birds as they would behave in the wild. Free flight enclosures. One of the most captivating aspects of the bird aviary is the free flight enclosures. These large, open spaces allow birds to fly freely, creating a dynamic and engaging experience for visitors. The enclosures are designed with lush vegetation, water features, and perches, providing the birds with a naturalistic setting. As visitors walk through these enclosures, they can witness birds soaring overhead, engaging in courtship displays, and foraging for food. Thematic zones. The aviary is organized into thematic zones, each showcasing birds from different regions of the world. For example, the tropical zone features colorful parrots, toucans, and hornbills, while the wetland zone highlights species such as flamingos, herons, and pelicans. Each zone is equipped with informational displays that provide insights into the species' natural history, behaviors, and conservation status. Interactive exhibits. Throughout the aviary, interactive exhibits offer hands-on learning experiences. These include bird identification boards, sound stations where visitors can listen to different bird calls, and educational panels that explain bird anatomy, migration patterns, and more. These exhibits are designed to engage visitors of all ages and deepen their understanding of avian life. The Bird Aviary at Chongqing Zoo is home to a diverse collection of bird species, each with its own unique characteristics and appeal. Here are some highlights. Parrots and parakeets. The aviary boasts an impressive collection of parrots and parakeets, known for their vibrant plumage and playful personalities. Visitors can observe species such as macaws, cockatoos, and budgerigars. These birds are not only visually striking but also highly intelligent, often seen interacting with visitors and mimicking sounds. Waterfowl and wading birds. The wetland zone is a haven for waterfowl and wading birds, including flamingos, ibises, and storks. The striking pink plumage of the flamingos and the graceful movements of the ibises create a mesmerizing display. Visitors can learn about the unique adaptations of these birds, such as the specialized beaks of spoonbills and the long legs of herons. Birds of prey. The aviary also features a selection of birds of prey, such as eagles, hawks, and owls. These majestic birds are showcased in spacious enclosures that highlight their powerful flight and keen hunting skills. Informative displays educate visitors about the role of birds of prey in ecosystems and the conservation challenges they face. Dining and refreshments. After exploring the bird aviary, visitors can relax and enjoy a meal at the aviary's cafe. The cafe offers a variety of refreshments, snacks, and light meals, with seating areas that provide scenic views of the aviary. It's a perfect spot to take a break and reflect on the avian wonders observed during the visit. Souvenir shopping. The aviary's gift shop offers a range of bird-themed souvenirs, including plush toys, apparel, and educational books. These items make great keepsakes and gifts, and purchasing them helps support the zoo's conservation initiatives. The Bird Aviary at Chongqing Zoo is a testament to the zoo's commitment to education, conservation, and creating unforgettable visitor experiences. With its beautifully designed habitats, engaging educational programs, and dedication to avian conservation, the aviary offers a unique and enriching experience for all who visit. Whether you are a seasoned bird watcher or a casual visitor, the Bird Aviary promises a journey through the vibrant and diverse world of birds that will leave you inspired and awed. Plan your visit today and discover the symphony of colors and songs that make the Bird Aviary a true gem of Chongqing Zoo.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.